Do you want to create, edit, manage, and save one or more SQLite databases at the same time, and in your browser? We have the solution for you. You can easily load SQLite database from your PC, edit your database and save files. To get started, go to our website link which is located in the YouTube description. After installing the software, click the software icon at the top right of the browser. Now you can create a new database, or open a database from your computer. You can also create charts at the Features page. You can save your database file to your computer. Click on the website link in the YouTube description to get this free software now. If you like our content, please press the subscribe button as well. Our team provides useful tech content on a weekly basis. Remember to click the bell as well. Thank you for watching.